Want to travel to Japan but not sure how to get your visa? Don't worry. If you're an Indian citizen, getting a Japan visa is like a piece of cake for you. But you should know the right steps. I'm Sam and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Stick with me and I'll make it simple for you. And before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe for more visa updates. The first question many people ask is, do Indians need a visa for Japan? The answer is yes. If you're an Indian citizen, you must get a visa before you travel. There is no visa-free entry or visa on arrival, so you have to apply before your trip. The process is simple if you prepare the right documents. Let's see the documents you need for a Japan visa. The first thing you need is a valid passport that has at least 2 blank pages and is valid for at least 6 more months. A completed and signed Japan visa application form, 1 recent passport-size photograph with a white background, flight bookings showing your travel to and from Japan, hotel reservations for your entire stay in Japan, original bank statements from the last 3 to 6 months to show that you have enough money for your trip, income tax returns documents for your past 2 years, an employment certificate if you're currently working, a travel itinerary that clearly explains your travel plans including where you will go and what you will do in Japan, a cover letter that explains your purpose of your visit and how you will pay for your expenses during your stay, an invitation letter if you're visiting someone in Japan, a copy of your host's residence card or their Japanese passport if they are inviting you. After preparing the document, you need to apply for Japan visa, but how to do that? First, go to this website. This is official Japan Visa Application Center website for India. Next, choose your city on the homepage, select your location to see the visa center nearest you. Then click on Apply for Visa and choose the visa type that matches your purpose of travel like tourism, business, or visiting family. After that, check the full list of required documents. The website will show you exactly what you need to prepare. Download the visa application form from the same website. You can fill it out on your computer or print it and complete it by hand. Make sure you sign the form. Gather all the documents I told you. Once everything is ready, schedule an appointment online. Just click on Schedule Appointment on the website and choose a convenient date and time. Visit the Visa Application Center in person on your appointment day. Bring all the documents and submit them at the counter. You'll also need to pay for the visa fee there. After applying, you can track your visa status online using your reference number. Just go back to the VFS website to check your updates. When your visa is approved, you'll get a message. Then go back to the visa center to collect your passport with your Japan visa sticker inside. Getting a Japan visa is like a piece of cake if you follow the steps I told you and have your documents ready. Japan welcomes Indian travelers, so with little planning, you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more visa updates. Love you. Bye-bye.